Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a simple 5-ingredient rice dosa or ghavan recipe. It's a great substitute for a roti, chapati or a bhakri and tastes extremely well with any of your curries or a side of a chutney. Let's see how to make it. Here I have taken about 2 cups of rice flour, and to that we'll add about 2 teaspoons of salt. Next add about 1/8 cup of semolina or sooji and add about 4 teaspoons of oil. Next we are going to add water. So here I have about 2.5 cups of water and we'll start adding it little by little and keep whisking it to make sure that there are no lumps. This will take few minutes, so keep whisking it as you add water. We want to make a batter really nice and runny consistency. Here is the consistency that we are looking for, so as you check it, it's nice and flowy. Let it rest for about 30 minutes. To make this ghavan or rice dosa, I'm using a non-stick pan and I've added few drops of oil. The flame is on medium high. Add few drops of water to make sure that the pan is hot enough, and it is. Let's start making the ghavan or rice dosa. With a deep spoon, spread the dosa batter in circular motion like this. Small bubbles start to form on the ghavan. We are going to cover it and let it cook on this side on a medium-high flame for about 7 to 8 seconds. After about 8 seconds, let's open and check. You will notice that this layer has faded out and cooked well. Add about 1 teaspoon of oil and now we are going to start scraping it from all the sides. Since it's a non-stick pan, the ghavan or rice dosa will not stick to the pan. Just flip it and cook it on this side for about 3 to 5 seconds. The ghavan is now ready. Let's take it out in a plate. Follow the same process and make as many ghavan or rice dosas as you need. With the amount of batter that we made for this recipe, you should be easily able to make about 10 to 12 ghavans. You can enjoy these ghavans or rice dosas with any of your veg or non-veg curries, or even as a great lunchbox, breakfast or snack items. Hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.